Welcome to Lenina's Shorthand. Shorthand made easy. Lesson number 2, part 1. A few strokes more. These strokes are other than the alphabet. CH. Stroke for the CH sound, as in each. TH. Stroke for the TH sound, as in 3. TH. Stroke for the TH sound, as in them. SH. Downward stroke for the SH sound, as in she. SH. Upward stroke for the SH sound, as in shell. ZH. Stroke for the ZH sound, as in casual or treasure. NG or ING. Stroke for the NG or ING sound, as in anger or thing. Part 2. Some of the common punctuations. For a full stop. For a question mark. For exclamation. For a dash. Written under the words beginning with a capital letter. For brackets or parentheses.